Trusted since 2015, Easy 1095 helps businesses print and e-file ACA forms 1095-C and 1094-C quickly and securely. Getting started is simple. Just set up your company profile. For CPAs managing multiple clients, please create an account for each one. With Easy 1095, you can add unlimited company accounts at no extra charge. Next, prepare your 1095-C forms. You can save time by importing information directly from CSV files, QuickBooks IF files, or XML files. Or you can enter data manually. Please follow IRS guide and fill in Part 1 and Part 2. Part 3 is generally only for employers with self-insured health plans. If it does not apply to your company, do not check self-insurance option and leave covered individual list blank. You can print single or multiple forms on plain white paper. The software also handles form instructions and mailing labels automatically. Step 3. Finalize your 1094-C summary. Navigate to the 1094-C menu to review your data. Please note that certain fields must be completed manually for accuracy. Ensure you enter the total count of 1095-C forms on line 18. If this is your original submission, check the box on line 19 and complete parts 2, 3, and 4 before proceeding. Save your data and print form. When you're ready to submit to the IRS, Easy 1095 offers two flexible options. Option 1, in-app e-filing service. We file on your behalf. No transmitter control code, TCC, required. Our software will even validate your files automatically. If no validation errors are found, enter your customer account username and password. Then click Upload. Our system will securely transmit your ACA forms to the IRS through our registered TCC and IRS account. Option 2, self-filing. Use your own TCC to submit directly. If this is your first time e-filing 1095 forms, you must apply for a TCC from the IRS. Pass ACA testing to move your TCC from testing to production status. Once approved, you can generate the e-file XML files, validate your data, and submit the file to the IRS using your own TCC. Need help? Click the Help menu in Easy 1095 for a detailed guide, or visit our support page on the HalfPriceSoft website. Make tax season stress-free with Easy 1095. Download the free demo today and see how easy it is to prepare, print, and e-file your ACA forms directly to the IRS.